How to remove background in Photoshop. We will share two methods to remove background in Photoshop. One is for simple images with a single background, and the second method is for little complicated backgrounds. Let's start with the simple one. First, make sure your image layer is not locked. If it is, then click on this little lock icon and unlock it. Now click on the image layer and select it. Click on Select and then click on Color Range from the menu. Set the fuzziness value to 60 and then click on OK. Now press Ctrl+X on your keyboard. As you can see, the image background is removed. Now, to remove the background from complicated images, open any of your internet browser and search for Adobe Background Remover in the Google search bar. Open the first link, adobe.com Free Image Background Remover. Click on Upload your photo and locate your image from the computer. Click on Open. As you can see, Photoshop is processing and removing the image background. Now wait for a couple of seconds, and as you can see, the image background is removed. Once done, make sure Transparent is selected, and then click on the Download button. As you can see, the PNG file is downloaded. If I open this image into Photoshop, as you can see, the image background is removed properly, and now you can use this PNG file anywhere as you wish. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.